MS Word is a application software which help us to create simple text document in MS Word. We learned to start a new document, adding or delete content and saving the document. But word processing does not mean just to create a document. Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to start chapter 4, that is editing in Word 2010. So here we are going to cover these topics such as selecting the text, moving the text, copying the text, finding the text, finding and replacing the text, correcting spelling errors, undo and redo. So these are the topics which we will cover practically in this chapter. Editing means making changes or modification like inserting or deleting, copying or moving text, or correcting misspelled word. Misspelled word means any word done mistaken, okay, by mistakenly done incorrect word. These are the features which save a lots of time and effort while working with a lengthy document. But before we start learning these features, we need to know how to do some selecting the text and other formatting in document. Okay, so our first topic is selecting the text. To perform editing in a document, we need to select the block or text in the document. So, before starting further, let me tell you I have already prepared a MS Word file or sheet where we will perform different tasks. So, our first topic is selecting a text. So suppose you want to select any word. अगर आपको कोई single word select करना है, so what you will do? Simply you will click over that word, double click करके आप उसको select कर सकते हो. Okay? This way we can select any word. Next is अगर हमें कोई line select करनी है. Suppose I have written this line. अगर मुझे ये पूरी line select करनी है, so how we will do? Click in the front of the line to be selected, keeping the pointer in the left margin. Okay, तो simply I'll यहाँ पे pointer करके double click and drag it. So this way we can select a line. Next, paragraph. As you can see here, this whole is a paragraph. Suppose I want to select it. How we will do? Click the left mouse button thrice in the paragraph. Left mouse button thrice in the paragraph. Okay, this way we can select a paragraph. Next is a sentence. Clicking the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key on the keyboard. अगर मुझे कोई sentence को select करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Easily we will keep the mouse here and we will press control key and drag that pointer in the whole paragraph or line. So this way we have done it. Next is text block. Suppose we want to select any text in the block, right? So the process will be the same for selecting anything in the document. Okay, just put the mouse or put the cursor in the beginning of the line and keep pressing the right button and drag the cursor toward the paragraph. Now suppose you want to select whole data. Okay, I have typed this whole data. अगर मुझे इस पूरे डेटा को कॉपी करना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, easily we will keep the cursor here and will drag it to the last line. This way we can select the data. I hope you got it, and please do it practically. Until unless you will not perform it, you will not practice it, you will not learn. Okay.